Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer your crypto from Robinhood to your Phantom wallet. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you need to do is to start transferring your crypto through transfer operation. And basically, first you will need to make sure that you are eligible to transfer crypto through Robinhood. So as you can see, to enable crypto transfer, you will first to verify your identity and make sure that you have the two-factor authentication in set up in your account. So simply, you can just go to your account and click here on accounts and basically go to the settings. And after that, you will be able to go to security and privacy. And then here you will find two-factor authentication, and then you will set up any uh, method of authentication method. And basically after that, you will be eligible to start sending crypto. And all you need to do is to transfer your crypto and send them to your Phantom wallet. So basically, you will already need to have a Phantom wallet. So you can just go to the website and from there you can have your Phantom wallet. Either you will have your application, that means your mobile app, or you can just have your web browser extension and you will be able to start receiving uh, crypto. So after that, you will be needing just to go to your crypto page. So basically, it will be here, and it will be a little bit different than the mobile app. You go to any crypto that you have, and basically from here you will find the option. So basically, you will need just to click on transfer. You will add your wallet address, etc., and you will be able to send them and transfer your crypto. So as you can see here, there are also some other limits, information, etc. But basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.